this video, we're going to talk about creating views using the diagram editor. There are two ways to begin. First, we can click on an automatically generated view and export that to the diagram editor, which would then export this content into the diagram editor. Alternatively, we can come through and click the plus symbol and select the diagram option. This will give us the ability to select the diagram type that we want from the list and give it a name. Then we start with a blank canvas. Here we can drag and drop objects and relationships from the stencil onto the page and add names. Once we're done, we can click the Save and Sync button in the top right corner to be able to create those objects and relationships in our model. We can see that they've been created when the green check mark appears in the top right corner of the box. We have a few options when it comes to the diagram editor. For example, we can simply save the view but not synchronize it back to the repository. This would save the visualization, but it wouldn't synchronize the content back to the model. If you chose to save and sync, we will see a prompt asking if we want to reuse for any content inside of the diagram editor, which already exists inside of your model. Alternatively, we can create duplicates or cancel the sync entirely to revert back to the pre-save state. We'll also notice that when we remove content from the diagram editor and select Save and Sync, the tool will prompt us to remove those objects from the repository if that content is not used in any other diagrams. If we don't want to remove the objects, we can simply remove them from the diagram and keep them in the model.